Welcome back to my channel. For this bear, you're going to need swaddling blankets or just one, ribbon, and rubber bands. So first things first, got to get that swaddling blanket and we're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to get one side, take it up to the other just so you can measure where the middle is. If you need to place something there so that way you have a marker of where the middle is, do that. If you can remember, just keep going. So we're going to take one end and we're going to roll it up halfway, which is to the middle point. I'm going to go ahead and turn our work around, and I just use something to hold that so that way it doesn't unroll. Here I'm just using another one of the bears I made. And then we're going to take up the other side and we're going to do the same thing, roll it up to the middle or halfway point. And we're going to take the whole thing and flip it over. And while holding one side, we're going to take the other side and twist it over. And then we're going to pull the side that we held down over. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing this blanket down, or kind of like mashing it around what I call the body. By doing this, this is where we're forming the shirt. Now I'm going to just grab it more or less where I feel I want to put the first rubber band, and that's going to form the head. Then I'm going to grab another rubber band and I'm going to tie it to form the ear. And then I'm going to grab the other rubber band, do the same thing, tie it to form an ear. And if you'll notice here, the ears didn't come out symmetrical, which isn't a big deal. Just go ahead and grab whatever side you want to change and take the rubber band off and retie it. So if you notice up on top, that's actually a link to another video I have that's for washcloth bears. So if you're looking for something that's a little more detailed or just a little slower, I strongly encourage you to go check that video out of mine. So now I'm just going to knead the material just to push out the face. And now I'm just going to grab a little piece of ribbon that I already pre-cut and just tie it around to form a bow. And he's all ready. Now for the little bear. I call him a little bear. He has a bigger head, and in my opinion, he appears to look littler. So the steps are going to be the same as before. You're going to roll it to the middle, and then you're going to hold one side, twist the other, and then we're going to do the flipping. The part I like about this little bear is you don't have to hold everything so tight. And that all is going to work to your advantage. Since it's a lot looser, it'll help you be able to create a bigger head. So you'll notice right here that I'm taking that cloth and I'm bringing it way far down the legs. So it shortens the legs, but it's going to create a bigger head. And right here, I'm just going to knead, again, that material, and it's going to be so much easier since we're not holding it tight. And we're going to go ahead and form the ears just the same way we did before. And the same as before, if the ears don't come out symmetrical, you already know the step and what to do. And you see how much bigger this face is? And this is what's brilliant about this is when it's looser like this, it allows you to push from behind to form the face and to make it just a more round face and just cuter little bear. I just love this little one. And there you go. So I want to give you a side-by-side comparison of the two bears. You can see that the heads are different in size, and then you can see that the legs are different in length.
Okay, if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button if this video was useful to you, or maybe you just enjoyed it. So if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and if you are, and you know who you are, thank you so much for your subscription. Don't forget to leave comments.